Learn to draw with Tutorak Kids. Hi guys! It's good to see you. Today I am drawing a toy doll. This is her head. We've added eyes and her mouth. This is her fringe. And that's her ears. Let's add two big ponytails on the sides. Great! Now it's time to draw her dress and her hands and legs. This is a soft doll. It's very nice for hugging. Look, she opened her eyes. She's looking at what we are doing. Let's add stripes to her dress. We will make it colorful. Let's start the coloring. The doll has brown hair. She has red shoes. Let's color the dress blue, pink, green, blue, pink, green. I think she's happy. She loves her dress. Hope you had fun. I'll see you next time.